So here is the first machine. This is the one I'm going to call Edith, and this is how I found it. You can see here, I've just got the lid open, but you can see that she's put this vinyl floral wallpaper on the top and also has done her name in it as well. So she was really proud of herself. And then what I'm going to do is just pull it out. You can see here we've got the foot pedal on the bracket. I'm just going to pull that out. And the machine out. And this is the machine that was in Edith's box. So you can see here, it's a lovely little featherweight, pretty good condition. You can see here, this is the one that has the little bit of a mark here. Great condition. Really nice finish. There's not a lot of scratching or any marks in here other than this one that the wire did. But it's in great shape, great condition. It has the switch on the light here, and everything seems to be pretty good with this. Now this machine is the one that is missing the bobbin case. I hope I'm getting that in the video there. There's the bobbin case right here. So it's missing the bobbin case, but everything else is there. And this one is also missing the motor pulley. So if you can see that there, that motor pulley knob, it should go right here. So I'm going to try to find that as well. I've ordered that actually online, so that will be coming. Other than that, this one is in great condition. Yeah, and this one is the one that's got more of the angular Art Deco gold deckling on it. And this one is a 221K, so it was made in, is it Kilbowie, Scotland? And this one is also from 1958 based on the serial number. So yeah, it's a great little machine. I'm loving it. And I will show you the accessories that came with it.